Dear learner, how are you? I hope you are all well. By the grace of Allah, I am also fine with the blessed of Almighty Allah. You are all welcome to online class. I am Rustam Ali, Assistant Teacher, English, Ibrahim Memorial Shiksha Niketan, Bigon Dinaspur. The online system and management has been arranged by the authority because of coronavirus, I mean COVID-19. Our authority remains very active with a view to helping and giving the guideline to the student or learner study. I hope that this class will be very helpful for your learning. Dear learners, today I am going to teach you on suffix and prefix for classes 8, 9 and 10. That will be fruitful for you if you watch this video attentively. So let's start now, dear learners. Okay. Smoking creates danger effect on man. The sentence, subject, verb and object and extension. We can find here subject, verb and extension, but in the bracket we find noun. But if there is two noun, effects, there is a noun, but it is also noun. If we find the two noun at the same time, then the first noun will be adjective. So the appropriate answer here will be dangerous. This is the appropriate answer. Smoking creates dangerous effects on man. Then it is harm to health. So, dear learners, this is a be verb. After be verb, we have to make the word adjective or past participle. But in the box, we find verb, I mean base form of verb. But we have to make it adjective because after be verb, in the bracket, the word will be adjective. So the appropriate answer will be harmful. To health. It is costly. How and why will we add here ly with the adjective? Do you know? No. Now I will tell you about the matter. It is costly because if we find any adjective, after the sentence or at the beginning of the sentence, then it will be adverb. If you do not make it adverb, it will remain incorrect. So it will be adverb. Costly. Dear learners, if you don't understand, please make comment box. Then I will try to solve in next class. Okay, carry on. If a man involved in smoking, he may be damaged both physical and mental. Here the sentence indicates we find here preposition. This is preposition. After preposition, we have to add ing. In other words, we can say it gerund. So, after prepositions such as in, of, by, without, etc. After all the preposition, if we get any verb, then we have to add ing. I mean, we have to make the verb gerund. So appropriate answer here will be smoking. He may be damaged both physical and mental. Dear learners, to make the appropriate sufficient prefix, we have to sense the formation of parts of speech. Always, if we do not know how to sense the parts of speech or function of parts of speech, we may be unable to sense this word or to make sufficient prefix. So, we have to know very well about the rules of parts of speech. So, dear learners, follow here. If a man involved in smoking, he may be damaged both physical and mental. But I have said here, stand by, that if we find any adjective at the end of the sentence, then it will be adverb. It will be adverb. Because to say something for any person or any matter by force, we have to use here adverb. So, appropriate answer will be physically and mentally. Now the appropriate meaning and the answer has been correct. So again, I will tell you, he may be damaged both physically and mentally. It is possible to stop without punishment. Again, this is be verb. After be verb, what will be? Adjective. I told in the class, but already has been made here or given here adjective. But what to do now? Do you know? We have to know that if the sentence is negative form, if we find a sentence is negative form or the sentence indicate negative form, then we have to add prefix. Dear learners, one word is appropriate for you, that if you want to solve the sufficient prefix, if the sentence is given negative form, before the sentence or after the sentence or in the sentence, if it is given negative form, then you have to add prefix. Because if you do not add prefix here, the meaning will not be correct. So here appropriate answer will be impossible. It is impossible to stop without punishment. Without punishment. It also creates pollution and discomfort others. So we also find here another sentence. It's subject, verb and object. According to the universal truth of tense of verb, then subject, verb and object. Object will be noun, but in the sentence already given verb. So if you find verb at the end of the sentence, you have to make it noun. Then we have to know the appropriate answer. You have to know appropriate function of partial speech, and in this answer will be pollution. Appropriate answer will be pollution. because subject, verb and object. And even we have to know the another matter after and after and before and. The verb will be the same person speech. Verb will be the same person speech. If we do not use the same person speech after and before and, then it will be meaningless. It will be a meaningless sentence. So this is a verb, creates. Here comfort also another verb. But comfort is a common word, but we have to add here antonyms. If we do not know appropriate antonym or opposition word, then it will not be correct sentence. So we have to use here opposition word. Comfort, discomfort. It also creates pollution and discomforts others. Dear learners, we should encourage the people against smoking. At the sentence, we are finding that subject, helping verb and noun. This is the incorrect sentence. If we want to make the correct sentence, then we have to make this sentence correct, making verb. If we do not make this verb, it will be incorrect. So, subject, helping verb, and here will be principal verb. But in the box already given noun. How is possible? So we have to make it verb. What will be the verb of caress? It has two forms of verb. This is the opposition word will be discourage and common word will be encourage. But here, to keep the appropriate meaning of the sentence, we have to add here discourage. If we do not add discourage in the sentence before the noun, then the meaning will be meaningless and then it will be incorrect. So we have to add here discourage. Discourage. We should discourage the people against smoking. Against smoking. Now, I want to read out the model again for your understanding, for your better understanding, if you want to understand. Smoking creates dangerous effects on man. It is harmful to health. It is costly. If a man involved in smoking, he may be damaged both physically and mentally. It is impossible to stop without punishment. It also creates pollution and discomforts others. We should discourage the people against smoking. Dear learners, write down on your paper within a minute, please. Dear learners, have you completed writing all the answers and questions? So try to draw your attention to the whiteboard, please. According to the law and order, draft business is a punishable business. This sentence has been incorrect. But why and how will you make it correct? Then, according to the law and order, drug business is a punishable business. Here we find Bihar. After Bihar, we have to make the bracket part will be adjective. So, the adjective form of the word punish will be punishable. So, appropriate answer will be punishable. Those who become addict. Here, subject, relative pronoun, and verb. And last will be object. But here has been given verb. But sometimes we have to make adjective as it has given verb. The appropriate answer of the sentence will be addicted. Those who become addicted to drug first begin smoking. In our country, the people, the young generation who are smoking, who are living their life in depression, at first they start smoking, and with the beginning of their smoking, next they start drug and they become drug addicted. So, first begin smoking, which is the first step of initial to drug. It is a kind of addiction. This is a preposition. After preposition, we have to make the verb noun form. If we do not make the verb noun form, it will not be correct sentence. So, dear learners, we have to make it noun. Appropriate answer will be addiction. So, drug business should be suffering, punished. Here has been written punished, but before the word we can find another adjective. But sometime in the sentence is given double adjective. If we do not use here double adjective, it will be meaningless. So, the appropriate answer will be punishment for all. In short, according to law and order, drug business is a punishable business. Those who become addicted to drug, first begin smoking, which is the first step of initial to drug. It is a kind of addiction. So, drug business should be supreme punishment for all. Dear learners, I know that and I hope that you have understood my class very well. And see you again next class. Allah Hafiz.